Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Bigo Live on your Android device. If you're done using the Bigo Live application since you've deleted your account and you'd also want to get rid of your account from your Android device, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's proceed further. You can uninstall Bigo Live in two ways. Simply swipe through your app drawer and find Bigo Live into the app list. Once you find the application, simply press hold to the application and you'll be able to see an expanded menu. Tap on the uninstall button in order to uninstall the application, and in the pop-up, select OK to confirm your selection. That was one way you can uninstall your application. The other way is to go to your settings from your phone and tap it on. Once you reach to the settings menu, scroll all the way down and go to apps and tap it on. From the list of the applications that are installed on the device, search for Bigo Live, and once you spot the app, tap it on. You'll end up in the app information section. Go to the uninstall button at the bottom of the screen and tap it on. In the pop-up that appears at the bottom of the screen, tap OK and wait until the application is uninstalled. Now soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that your application has been deleted or uninstalled from your phone. That is how you'll be able to get rid of the application you no longer want to use or you've recently deleted an account from your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.